Welcome to the Accuplacer Next Generation Reading Tutoring Series. Today we'll be looking at vocabulary questions. On your exam, you're going to have vocabulary questions where you will have a fill in the blank with a missing word or phrase. The best way to approach these types of questions is to first determine what type of word or phrase should fit in the blank based on the other words in the sentence. The next thing you want to do is you want to define each of the word choice options using synonyms and examples to help you best match what should go in that blank. Let's look at two examples. First example is deciding that none of the nominees was blank the award. The film committee began reviewing a new group of candidates with better qualifications. The four choices for our blank are A, known for, B, pleased with, C, worthy of, D, interested in. Based on the sentence, we see that none of the nominees had the qualifications for the award. So another way of saying that the nominees were lacking the qualifications for the award is to say that none were qualified for the award. So we're looking for a synonym to were qualified to fill in the blank. Option C, worthy of, is the best match to the synonym of were qualified. So that will be our answer for this first example. Let's look at this second example. Nuclear engineer Menya Mataya argues that nuclear power is an environmentally blank technology operating with essentially no emissions. We're looking for something that means the same as essentially no emissions, which would be similar to saying that it is harmless or little threat to the environment. We're looking for a synonym to the word harmless. The next step is to look for what do each of these vocabulary words mean? And a good way to determine their definitions is both to define them as well as use them in a phrase or sentence to help identify how they are being used. So we have A is lavish. That means excessive or extravagant, and we can think of a celebrity's lavish lifestyle. B, culpable, means guilty or blamable, such as a culpable criminal. Antagonistic means hostile or unfriendly, such as an antagonistic enemy. Benign means harmless, not threatening, such as a benign tumor. Option D, benign, is the best match for harmless. So that's going to be our choice for our second example. So once again, if you get a vocabulary question on your Accuplacer exam, you're first going to determine what type of word or phrase should fit in the blank based on the other words in the sentence. Then you're going to define each of the word choice options using synonyms and examples to help you choose the best choice. We wish you the very best of success on passing your Accuplacer exam.